Men over 60, listen carefully. If you wake up in the morning and your manhood feels lifeless, if that natural strength you once counted on has faded, I want you to know something important. It's not because you're old. Your body isn't broken. Your erections haven't vanished forever. They've only gone quiet. And with the right touch, the right awareness, they can be awakened again. Hi, I'm Dr. Lily Morgan, a men's health specialist with over 6 years of experience helping older men restore vitality, confidence, and connection, not with risky pills or surgery, but through the natural intelligence of their own bodies. I've seen hundreds of men in their 60s, 70s, even 80s, regain what they thought was gone simply by learning how to activate 3 overlooked points on their bodies that act like hidden switches. Press them correctly, breathe the right way, and your mornings can begin to change, sometimes in just a few days. Before we begin, take a second. Tap that like button so more men can find this message. Comment, "I'm ready," if you want your vitality back. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural, doctor-backed tips for men over 60. Now, let's begin with a truth most men never hear from their doctors. The loss of morning erections is not a sign that you're finished as a man. It's not just aging. It's simply a sign that your body's communication lines have gone quiet. Your blood vessels, your nerves, and your hormones, they're still capable. They just need to be reminded how to talk to each other again. Think of your body like a room you stopped visiting years ago. The lights still work. The electricity's still flowing. You've just forgotten where the switch is. That's what's happening inside you right now, and that's why these 3 points matter so much. They're not magic. They're biology. I remember a patient, Harold, 74 years old. He sat in my office and said, "Dr. Morgan, I don't care about sex anymore. I just want to wake up and feel alive again." 3 weeks later, he called me. His voice was trembling. "Doc, it happened. I woke up this morning, and for the first time in 10 years, I felt like myself again." That's the truth about aging. It doesn't take your ability. It just makes you forget how to use it. Let's reawaken it, starting with the first point. 1. The first point above the pubic bone. The first point lies just above your pubic bone, that small stretch of your lower abdomen where the belly meets the pelvis. Most men never pay attention to this spot. But beneath it lies one of the most important gateways to male vitality. When you gently press here and breathe slowly into it, something amazing happens. The nerves that feed your lower organs begin to light up again. The blood vessels start to open. You may feel a faint warmth, a subtle hum. That's the spark returning. I remember a patient named Walter, 67. He told me, "Doc, I think it's over for me." We started small. I guided him to place his hand over that point, breathe deeply through his belly, and hold for a few seconds each day. 2 weeks later, Walter smiled for the first time in my office. "Every morning, I feel something stirring again. I thought it was gone, but it's coming back." What's happening here isn't superstition, it's circulation. When you engage this area, you release nitric oxide, relax tight muscles, and send blood exactly where it needs to go. So remember, don't press hard, press with presence. Your body listens better to patience than to force. 2. The second point, the perineum, between anus and scrotum. Now, the second point. This one surprises most men because it's in a place you've probably never paid attention to. It's called the perineum, the soft space between your anus and your scrotum. In Eastern medicine, it's known as the root of life. In Western medicine, it's rarely mentioned, which is a shame, because this tiny area controls a floodgate of circulation and nerve activity. Here's what to do. Sit on a soft cushion or a rolled towel, allowing gentle pressure on that area. Breathe deeply through your nose. Don't squeeze or force, just sit and breathe. What happens next can feel subtle, maybe a pulse, warmth, or tingling. That's your body waking up. I'll never forget Thomas, a 71-year-old Marine veteran. He came to me and said, "Doc, it's like the lights went out down there." Within days of practicing this, he called and said, "I feel a pulse again. I feel alive." The perineum acts like a valve. When it's tense or ignored, it blocks blood flow. When it relaxes, circulation returns, and with it, sensitivity and confidence. Even the smallest flicker of feeling can reignite your hope. And when hope returns, your body responds even faster. 3. The third point, the inner thigh line, femoral pathway. The third and final point is one most men overlook entirely. It lies along your inner thigh, right where the thigh meets the lower abdomen, the crease line. Beneath this area run two critical highways: the femoral artery and the femoral nerve, the main routes carrying blood and signals to your manhood. If those highways tighten or clog from years of sitting or inactivity, your lower body loses energy. By gently massaging this inner thigh line, moving from your knee up toward your groin, you open those highways again. A patient named Earl, 68, drove trucks for decades. He told me, "Doc, I never thought my thighs had anything to do with erections." I showed him how to massage that crease each morning and night. After 2 weeks, he said something that made me smile. "Doc, I feel warmer down below, and I'm waking up strong again." That warmth is blood flow. That strength is your body remembering its power. When the femoral pathway reopens, your entire lower body wakes up, not just physically, but emotionally. You stand taller. You walk differently. You feel like yourself again. 4. Why these points work the science made simple. Erections aren't magic. They're blood flow plus nerve communication. These 3 points awaken both systems. The pubic bone point reactivates circulation in your pelvis. The perineum releases trapped blood and signals. The inner thigh line opens the main highway that delivers energy to your manhood. When you press, breathe, and bring awareness to these areas, you release nitric oxide, open arteries, and retrain the nerves that control your response. The result? Warmth returns, sensation returns, and soon natural, effortless morning strength returns too. Important. These points are the switches, not the power source. To keep the current flowing, you need 5 simple daily habits that reinforce your results. 1. Deep belly breathing, 5 minutes daily. Slow nasal breathing lowers stress, relaxes blood vessels, and improves nitric oxide levels, the very molecule that triggers erections. 2. Warm morning hydration. Drink a glass of warm water after waking up. It thins your blood naturally and promotes smoother circulation, especially where you want it most. 3. Cut evening sugar. Sugar quietly damages the inner lining of your blood vessels. Reducing it even a little improves blood flow in weeks. 4. Gentle movement. Take a light 10-minute walk after dinner. This activates your body's venous pump, helping blood circulate evenly while you sleep. 5. Respect your practice. Don't treat these exercises like chores. Treat them like conversation with your body. Patience, care, and attention create healing far faster than frustration ever could. Together, these habits amplify everything the 3 points do, turning a short practice into a lifelong foundation for male vitality. I know some of you may still be skeptical, and that's okay. Many men feel that way at first, but I've seen transformation after transformation. Harold, the postal worker, who thought he was done, woke up strong again after 3 weeks. Leonard, 69, who said he just wanted to know his body could still respond, found that warmth and confidence returning. Earl, the truck driver, felt more alive in his legs, his mornings, his life. Their stories aren't miracles. They're reminders that the body doesn't forget, it just needs to be reminded how to feel again. Here's what I recommend you start doing today. Every morning, sit comfortably and take 10 deep belly breaths. Gently press the area above your pubic bone for 30 seconds. Sit for 1 minute on a soft cushion to apply light pressure on the perineum. Massage the inner thigh crease for 1-2 minutes per side. Finish with gratitude, thank your body for still showing up for you. Repeat daily for 21 days and notice the difference. Most men begin to feel warmth and morning life returning within the first week. If you've been feeling discouraged, if you've looked in the mirror and thought, that part of my life is over, please hear me clearly. It's not over. Your body hasn't failed you. It's simply waiting for you to pay attention again. Every cell in your body still knows what to do. It's just waiting for your signal. And that's what these 3 points are your way of saying to your body, I'm still here. I still trust you. I still want to feel alive. Men over 60 vitality isn't about age. It's about awareness. The moment you reconnect with your body, everything starts to change, from your mornings to your confidence to your entire outlook on life. Start today. Press these 3 points. Breathe deeply. Trust the process, because your body, your manhood still listens, it's still capable, and it's still yours. If this video gave you hope, hit the like button. It helps more men find this message. Comment below where you're watching from. 5. The supporting habits, 5 daily boosters. But here's something: I love hearing your stories. And subscribe for more natural, science-backed guidance from me, Dr. Lily Morgan, helping men restore strength, confidence, and life one morning at a time. Remember, age does not end vitality. Awareness reignites it. You are not broken. You are becoming whole again.